Hey there, my friends. Dan G. Fox here, and hope you're having a wonderful day today. If you've been watching, you know I'm participating in a 10-day YouTube challenge, and today is day 10. Excuse me, day 4 of the 10-day challenge, which topic is 3 top tips for new network marketers. And so, starting a career in network marketing can be both exciting and challenging. So I have 3 tips that I think are essential for new network marketers. The first one is build a strong relationship. Network marketing is fundamentally about building relationships. Focus on focus on connecting with people on a personal level rather than just promoting your products or opportunities. Actively listen to the needs and concerns of your prospects and your team members, because understanding their goals and challenges will help you tailor your approach and offer solutions that genuinely address their needs. Tip number 2: provide value and solve problems. I mean, instead of focusing solely on selling products or recruiting new team members, emphasize the value your business opportunity can bring to others. Uh, Highlight how your offers can solve problems or improve the lives of your customers. And then number 3, and I think this is probably the most important one, honestly, be consistent and persistent. Success in network marketing really requires consistent and persistent effort over time. Set realistic goals for yourself, and then create a daily and weekly action plan to achieve them. Be prepared to face rejections and setbacks. I mean, not everyone will be interested in your products or business opportunities, and that's okay. You're not interested in everything else yourself, okay? So let those no's be the next step to your yeses. Learn from your experience, each experience, and adapt your approach and keep moving forward. And just remember, success in network marketing is often a marathon, not a sprint. So building a sustainable business takes time, dedication, and continuous learning. So recapping real quickly, my 3 top tips are: build a strong relationship is number 1, provide value and solve problems is number 2, and then number 3 is consistent and persistent action. So thank you, my friends, for listening in today, visiting my channel. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click the subscribe button below so that you can get the new material I put out, as well as look back and look at some of the things I've done before. I think it'll all be helpful to you. And if you liked the video today, click on the like button. I'd really appreciate that. And even comment. I love comments, good, bad, or indifferent, either way. And if you really liked it, share it with somebody else so they can get some of my value. So thanks again, and you have a foxtastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.